Welcome to your definitive guide for navigating the RASEKH platform's powerful search capabilities. Let's begin with the fundamentals. Upon visiting the homepage, you'll find the search bar prominently located at the top of the page. Enter your search term, for example, AI in Qatar or climate change in Qatar. Select from the suggestions that appear as you type or press the search button. RASEKH offers sophisticated filtering to help you pinpoint exactly what you're looking for. You can filter by theme, topic, subject. You can also filter by resource type, interactive resource, presentation, resource plan, or video, sustainable development goal, target age group, knowledge partner information, production and update dates. Let's now search for a resource plan on climate change. Again, a resource plan about climate change in Qatar immediately appears. Localized resources are much more efficient for student engagement than generic ones. Finally, let's try searching for resources on the moon cycle. As we type, we see suggestions about localized content, like the lunar cycle and Ramadan. Let's refine our search by selecting video as resource type and age group 6 to 7-year-olds. Now we get a video about the moon cycle and its phases for children, which is exactly what we want. I hope you enjoyed this short tutorial on RASEKH search functionality. Please visit RASEKH and try it yourself. And remember, every search is a gateway to new knowledge.